Skyline 1920, wind 020 degrees, 8 knots, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 28, Kilo 120.
Singapore 345, behind American ahead, line up runway 16 and wait behind via Echo 2.
Behind American 1, ahead, line up runway 16 via Echo 2, behind 4345.
This is 1 Tango Tango on Juliet, cross runway 28 and contact apron 121.755.
Crossing 28 on Juliet, then 121.755, Tower.
Juliet, 76 Charlie, Juliet,
This is 731 Charlie on Juliet, cross runway 28 and contact apron 121.755.
Cross on Juliet, 12185, 11755, 731 Charlie.
American Liner 3, wind 030 degrees, 6 knots, runway 16, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 16, American Liner 3.
Subject for Echo Alpha, hello, line up and wait, runway 28.
Line up, wait, runway 28, contact for Echo Alpha, hello.
And subject for Echo Alpha, your number 2 for departure behind traffic from the crossing runway.
Roger.
United 53, hello, your departure time 23. Oh, United 53, correction, it's band 19er. American 93, contact departure, choose.
To departure, American 93, get in.
Tower, good stuff, Bravo, Juliet, over to it.
This is 896 Bravo on Juliet, cross runway 28 and contact apron 121.755, choose.
Juliet, cross runway 28, apron 121.755, say nice, Bravo.
Singapore 345, wind 040 degrees, 6 knots, runway 16, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 1, clear for takeoff, Singapore 345.
This is 4 Alpha Hotel, hello, behind the Pegasus, line up runway 28 and wait behind.
Behind Pegasus, line up runway 28, behind 4 Hotel.
Zurich 4 Echo Alpha, wind 040 degrees, 9 knots, gusting 14, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 28, Zurich 4 Echo Alpha.
Singapore 345, contact departure, choose.
Departure, bye-bye, Singapore 345.
Anatolia 3 Sierra Yankee, hello, behind the Swiss C-Series, from the other side, line up runway 28 and wait behind.
Hello, behind departing Swiss, line up and wait, runway 28 behind Anatolia 3 Sierra Yankee.
contact for Echo Alpha, contact departure, tschüss.
Contact departure, choose Arctic for record.
This is for Alpha Hotel, wind 050 degrees 9 knots, gusting 15, runway 28, cleared for takeoff. This is 5 Echo Charlie, hello, behind Anatolia from the other side, line up runway 28 and wait behind.
Behind Anatolia from the other side, line up runway 28 behind, with 5 Echo Charlie.
Chicago to Galaxy 252 Bravo, wind check for runway 28 please. This is 252 Bravo, current wind 050 degrees 8 knots, gusting 15. Copy, thank you, this is 252 Bravo.
Is that wind at Alpha runway 16
AFM. This is for Alpha Hotel, contact departure, tschüss.
Departure to Space for Alpha Hotel.
Anatolia 3 Sierra Yankee, wind 050 degrees 6 knots, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff runway 28, Anatolia 3 Sierra.
This is 252 Bravo, behind Helvetic ahead, line up runway 28 and wait behind.
Behind Helvetic ahead, line up runway 28 behind 252 Bravo.
Anatolia 3 Sierra Yankee, contact departure, tschüss.
For departure, choose Anatolia 3 Sierra.
This is 5 Echo Charlie, wind 050 degrees 6 knots, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 28, clear takeoff, with 5 Echo Charlie.
This is 8 Echo Michael, behind 321 ahead, line up runway 28 and wait behind.
Behind the 321 ahead, line up and wait, runway 28 behind with 8 Echo Mike. Target, this is 255 Papa on Julius.
This is 255 Papa, hold short of runway 28.
Hold short line to it, this is 255 Papa.
This is 255 Papa on Juliet, cross runway 28 and contact apron 121.755.
Juliet cross line to it, 121.755. What is this 255 Papa?
This is 5 Echo Charlie, contact departure, tschüss.
Tschüss, this is 5 Echo Charlie. Hello, this is 241 Delta. You're holding short.
This is 241 Delta, hold short of runway 28.
Hold short of 28, this is 241 Delta.
This is 252 Bravo, wind 060 degrees 5 knots, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff runway 28, 252 Bravo.
United 53 via Echo 2, line up and wait, runway 16. Airbus Star 6 up, hello behind Helvetic, line up runway 28 and wait behind.
Helvetic, line up and wait behind runway 28.
241 Delta on Juliet, cross runway 28 and contact apron 121 755.
On Juliet, we cross 28 and 12755. Triple Delta, 241 Delta.
Swiss 252 Bravo, contact departure, tschüss.
Departure goodbye, Swiss 252 Bravo.
Swiss 8 Echo Mike, wind 020 degrees 4 knots, gusting 12, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 28, clear for takeoff, Swiss 8 Echo Mike.
Swiss 8 Echo Mike, contact departure.
To departure, Hotel Swiss 8 Echo Mike.
Swiss 336 Lima, you're in sequence behind traffic from the crossing runway, departure time 24.
Swiss 336 Lima, Roger, good attack.
Foxtrot Golf on Juliet, cross runway 28.
Request 28, just from Juliet, go ahead.
United 53, wind 020 degrees 6 knots, runway 16, cleared for takeoff. Swiss 336 Lima, line up and wait, runway 28.
Line up and wait, runway 28, Swiss 336 Lima.
2 stations, I copied the readback and Alpine 75 Delta Charlie on Juliet, cross runway 28 and contact apron 121 755.
Okay, Juliet cross runway 28 and then apron 12175, Alpine 75 Delta Charlie.
Alpine Star 68 Alpha, contact departure.
Departure, thank you, Swiss 6 Alpha.
Swiss 1888 behind the 320, line up runway 28 and wait behind.
Behind T20, line up and wait, runway 28 behind Swiss 13.
United 53, contact departure, tschüss. Swiss 336 Lima, wind 020 degrees 8 knots, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 28, clear for takeoff, Swiss 336 Lima.
Area 06 Alpha Victor, hello behind the Baltic, line up runway 28 and wait behind.
And the Air Baltic, line up and wait behind you, area 06 Alpha Victor.
Swiss 238, hello, expect your departure time 30.
Okay, great.
Swiss 336 Lima, contact departure, tschüss.
Ciao, Swiss 336 Lima.
Swiss 1888, wind 020 degrees 6 knots, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 28, Swiss 1triple.
Swiss 9 Echo Bravo, hello, behind the barrier, line up runway 28 and wait behind.
Hello, line up runway 28 and wait behind Iberia, Swiss 9 Echo Bravo.
Swiss 1888, contact departure, goodbye.
Departure, Swiss 188 by mile.
Barrier 06 Alpha Victor, wind 020 degrees 8 knots, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Clear, takeoff, runway 28, Iberia 06 Alpha Victor.
Swiss 238 via Echo 2, line up and wait, runway 16.
Line up and wait, runway 28.
Swiss 136 Golf, hello, behind the Swiss Airbus 320 ahead, line up runway 28 and wait behind.
Clear, Swiss 136 Golf, line up, runway wait behind and wait behind.
Area 06 Alpha Victor, contact departure, tschüss.
Departure 2, Iberia 06 Alpha Victor.
Swiss 9 Echo Bravo, wind 030 degrees 9 knots, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 28, clear for takeoff, please, 9 Echo Bravo.
Zurich Tower Christie, Luminet 333, holding short runway 28 at Juliet.
Luminet 333, hello, hold position.
Holding position, Luminet 333.
Swiss 146, hello, behind Edelweiss from the other side, line up runway 28 and wait behind, and for information, you are in sequence pair traffic from the crossing runway.
Behind Edelweiss A320, lining up runway 28 and wait behind, Roger, Swiss 146.
Luminet 333 on Juliet, expedite across runway 28 and contact April 121.755.
Barrier Juliet, expedite crossing runway 28, other side 121.755, Luminet 333.
Tower Swiss 4 Yankee, hold short runway 28 on Juliet.
Swiss 4 Yankee, hold short of runway 28.
Holding short runway 28, Swiss 4 Yankee.
Tower low, Swiss 569 at Tango.
Swiss 569 at Tango, hello.
Are we departing before or after 3:30?
After.
Danke.
Swiss 9 Echo Bravo, contact departure.
Bye-bye, Swiss 9 Echo Bravo.
Swiss 136 Golf, wind 030 degrees 8 knots, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 28, cleared for takeoff, Swiss 136 Golf.
Swiss 146, wind 040 degrees 8 knots, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 28, cleared for takeoff, Swiss 146.
Swiss 569 Tango, behind the Airbus 321 ahead, line up runway 28 and wait behind.
And the A321 ahead, line up runway 28 behind, Swiss 569 Tango.
Edelweiss 24, hello, your departure time 40.
Roger, Edelweiss.
Swiss 146, contact departure, goodbye.
Okay, Swiss 146.
Swiss 941 X-ray, wind 050 degrees 6 knots, gusting 12, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 28, cleared for takeoff, Swiss 941 X-ray.
Swiss 941 X-ray, contact departure, cheers.
Departure, syntax, Swiss 941 X-ray.
Swiss 107 Echo, hello, behind 321 on runway, line up runway 28 and wait behind.
Yeah, company 301, lining up and waiting on runway 28 behind, Swiss 107 Echo, good luck.
Swiss 569 Tango, wind 050 degrees 5 knots, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 28, clear takeoff, Swiss 569 Tango.
Swiss 248 Zulu, hello, behind 320 on the runway, line up runway 28 and wait behind.
Yeah, 320 on the runway, line up 28 and wait behind, Swiss 248 Zulu.
Swiss 107 Echo, contact departure, cheers.
Departure, Swiss 107 Echo.
Edelweiss 24, line up and wait, runway 16.
Line up and wait, runway 16, Edelweiss 24.
Swiss 248 Zulu, wind 360 degrees 6 knots, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 28, cleared takeoff, Swiss 248 Zulu. Zurich, hello, Tango Charlie, Tango Golf, Juliet Falcon, runway 28.
Tango Charlie, Charlie Lima Golf, hold short of runway 28.
Hold short, runway 28, come.
Swiss 248 Zulu, contact departure, cheers.
Departure in the dark, Swiss 248 Zulu.
Edelweiss 24, wind 010 degrees 6 knots, runway 16, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 16, Edelweiss 24.
Tango Lima Golf, contact apron 121.755.
121.755, good day, thank you, Tango Charlie, Tango Golf.
Swiss 737 Alpha, contact departure, cheers.
Departure from Swiss 737 Alpha.
Swiss 87 Charlie, line up and wait, runway 28.
Line up and wait, runway 28, Swiss 87 Charlie.
Edelweiss 24, contact departure. Tschüss.
Cheers, Edelweiss 24.
Swiss 129er Yankee, wind 030 degrees, 4 knots, runway 16, cleared for takeoff. Swiss 3 Mac Delta, behind Airbus 321 on the runway, line up runway 28 and wait behind.
Behind Airbus 321 on the runway, line up and wait, runway 28, behind Swiss 3 Mac Delta.
Hotel Bravo Zulu Oscar Charlie, QNH 1025, crossing via Whiskey 1 Sierra at 3,000 feet is approved.
Hospital, clear to cross at 3,000.
Hotel Oscar Charlie, just to confirm, altitude between 3,000 and 4,000 is approved.
Oh, that's great. 500 people.
Hotel Oscar Charlie, correction, between 3,000 and 4,000 between Whiskey 1 and Sierra, and until Whiskey 1, maximum 3,500, correction.
Yes, according to the V8.
Swiss 129 Yankee, contact departure, tschüss.
Departure, Swiss 129.
Swiss 87 Charlie, wind 080 degrees, 4 knots, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Please take off line 28, please.
Swiss 139 Kilo, behind her, dig ahead, line up runway 28 and wait behind.
Autonomy behind company ahead, line up runway 28 and wait behind. Swiss 139 Kilo.
Swiss 87 Charlie, contact departure, tschüss.
Departure, Swiss 87 Charlie.